Ever wish you could make a folder vanish into thin air on your Windows 11 PC? Well, today I'm going to show you a few simple ways to hide those sensitive files from prying eyes. First, let's start with the Builtin method. Locate the folder you want to conceal within File Explorer. Right-click on the folder. A context menu will appear. Select Properties from the menu. This opens a new window with various tabs. In the General tab, you'll find an option labeled Hidden. Check the box next to it. Click Apply. A prompt might appear asking if you want to apply the changes to this folder only, or to all subfolders and files within it. Choose the option that best suits your needs and click OK. Click OK again to close the Properties window. The folder should now be hidden. Now, to ensure you can't accidentally see it, go to the View tab in File Explorer, then find the Show option. Finally, make sure the Hidden Items checkbox is unchecked. This prevents hidden files and folders from being displayed. If you want some more security, third-party software could be an option. These tools provide encryption and password protection to conceal your folders. Do some research to find one you trust and follow their instructions. And that's it. Now you have a few ways to hide your folders in Windows 11. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.